Hi there. I hope you are doing well. Do you want to come with me today? By the way, I am Baby Shiba. I love to play in the grass. Come on, let's play. I also love snuggle time with my human, because I could feel and hear my human's heartbeat. Sounds like this: thump, thump, thump. Does this mean my human loves me?